Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holder? It's a proper time completely. The price will be increasing. All crypto market is not compatible of it in this time, but refinance will starting moving upward now, and some more cryptocurrencies. My favorite cryptocurrency is also moving upward now. So kindly, my brothers, you need to subscribe our YouTube channel, please, because MBC channel will guide you and update you every time and give you the real and good updates, my brothers, for all cryptocurrencies. Now, my brothers, this time the refinance is completely, my brothers, get a profit now in last 1 hour. 0.48% the price is increased now. Otherwise, my friend, you can see here in last 24 hours 0.56% loss now, and change occurred last 7 days 13.35% loss now. So that's me, my brothers, to all cryptocurrencies as it comes down in the same time. But holders, my friends, don't do any mistake, otherwise you will be completely lost now. Especially a lot of holders starting doing this mistake too. They are, my friend, starting selling in those days. So if you are starting selling in those days, so they will completely lost now, and they cannot give you, my friends, a profit now. So kindly don't do this mistake. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing if you are starting holding now. This time, my brother, the refinance price is USD dollar 0.06 USD dollar, and you can see, this time the price of, my brother, you can see here the BTC, so 0. I think 6041, and market cap, you can see, this time 167, my friend, you can see here million, and you can see the total supply, so 15 million now. This time absolutely the price will be increasing, but just only need your hard work now. So I hope they will move upward now. Thanks for watching, holder. Remember to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. My opinion is to please hold, and what's your opinion? Tell me in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.